Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode by Drone-tastic Voyage. This time, of course, you can tell by the title of the video, it's Sierra Vista, Arizona, down here in the southeast corner of the state. We're about anywhere from 1 to 10 miles away from the actual border wall. You can drive up to it and all that. You'll see in a lot of my other videos that I have on this channel. So, hey, I just wanted to make a quick video and flyover of certain areas of the city itself for people that are planning on moving here, whether from getting a new job or retiring, or you're getting stationed here with the military. Hey, I've been in the military for a total of 22 years and 18 of those being active. This place is all right. It's not bad. Don't get bummed out about it if you come up on orders to get stationed here. It's nice and relaxing. There's tons of hiking, caves and mines and trails to go explore, and there's wildlife everywhere, and it's nice. They have all the basic big name restaurants. We have a Texas Roadhouse, we have a Chili's, we got Applebee's, we got McDonald's, Arby's, Jimmy John's, Jersey Mike's. They have a place called Mod Pizza, which is really, really good. They have Buffalo Wild Wings. We also have a place called Native Grill and Wings, which I prefer. I personally prefer their wings a little bit better over, a little bit more over Buffalo Wild Wings. They're really, really good. It's a nice area, so don't get bummed out about it. It's not a tiny city, however, it's not a large city. It's kind of right there at the bottom spectrum of a middle-sized city or a large, small city, if that makes any sense. It's got a population of about 40,000 people, with Fort Huachuca adding about another 10 to 15,000. So it's nice, you know? Don't worry, you got your Walmart, you got your Lowe's, you got your Home Depot, you got all that. There's a place called Cal Ranch, which is pretty cool. It's kind of like a Bass Pro Shops without the fish and the stuffed animals everywhere. It's pretty cool. It's got all your outdoor needs. They sell go-karts, they sell mini bikes there. We have a place called Cochise Motorsports where you can go buy a quad if you want and go explore. They'll make it street legal for you. So anyway, hey, there's no doubt in my mind when you move here, as long as you make the place fit your needs and you don't sit in the house and do nothing, go out there and explore, go out there and get to know the city. They have festivals all the time. We have an Oktoberfest here, a Fun Fest, small little country style carnival. It's nice. I'm not gonna lie. Every duty assignment is what you make it, and every place where you plan on moving is what you make it. So, all right, with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. You can skip the chapters down below in the video description. I have it all broken up by chapters. So, hey, feel free. Feel free to give this video a like and, subscribe to our channel. I make videos all around this town and the surrounding area. So, hey, we got everything broken up by playlist. So, yeah. All right, well, you guys enjoy the video and God bless.